Well, thank you for joining me on exercise 1B. I'm going to be looking at question 7. And this is the sum of three consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence is 24. So we've got, say, three terms. So A plus 1, A plus 2. These are three consecutive numbers. And we know that their sum is 24 and their product is negative 640. What are those numbers? Well, when we have three consecutive terms and we want to multiply, well, it's possibly a good idea to select the middle term. Select the middle term as being, say, some u value. I'll just put some nth value. And the next term is the previous term plus some d value. And the term before that is that term subtract the d value. And so what we've got here is two variables, and we've got two equations. So we need to create our two equations using these two variables. So let's do that. First, equation 1, when you add that term plus that term plus that term, we get 24. And you can see that there's three of these, three lots of un, and interestingly, that's why we select this option. Those will cancel and we're left with 24. Well, straight up, we already know, therefore, un is 24 over 3, therefore un is equal to 8. Oh, wow. So we already know that middle term is 8. So let's substitute and then get the product. So we know that it's going to be 8 minus d, 8, and 8 plus d. That's what we know now. And what we want to do now is look at equation 2. So 8 minus d times 8 times 8 plus d is going to equal negative 640. Well, we have to expand here. So let's first expand the first two. 8 eighths is, well, no, let's not. Let's just do something a little bit tricky here. Take that 8 across to be divided. So 8 minus d, 8 plus d. You see, if you take that across, this is like just because we noticed it, not because it's a strategy. We just sort of see that we could take that across to be negative 80. And interestingly, we've got this difference of 2 squared on the left-hand side. A minus b, a plus b, and we know that is 8 squared minus d squared. And over here we've got negative 80. Well, this is good. So this is equation 2. We had equation 2 up here. We just played around with equation 2. And now we could take that d squared across to be positive d squared, bring that negative 80 across to be positive 80, and we've got 8 eighths is 64. So we've got 144 is equal to d squared. Now, interestingly, take the square root across and we can have plus and minus. Take that square across and get the square root of both sides. A lot of people forget the plus and minus sign here. All right, that's important. I'll put 3 asterisks there. So d could be plus or minus 12. So So therefore, we know that D is a positive 8 or a negative 8. And we're told that what are the three numbers? Well, the middle number was 12. The middle number was 8, sorry. And let's use the negative 12 first of all. So 8 minus 12 will be negative 4, and 8 minus negative 12 is 20. So they are the three numbers. Or D could be positive 12. So you start with 8 in the middle. 8 plus 12 is 20, and 8 minus 12 is negative 4. So the three numbers, they're the two sequences that which work for our problem. I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.